2023. She's a model and an actress. She works in fashion, dress for women, and Miss Paris Couture, and in healthcare. She's running for Miss Asia International 2024, representing Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, give it up for Miss Christine Villanes.
Hello, Miss Christine. Come over here.
Hi, Christine. So, how are you feeling tonight?
I feel so grateful and feel so thankful, especially for my friend Tony for inviting me to
Yes, thank you, Tony, for inviting her tonight. So, how do you find our event tonight, the place?
Actually, from Tony.
Oh, from Tony. So I saw you earlier dancing. Would you like to invite us on your upcoming pageant this coming December?
Hello everyone. I'd like you to invite in our pageant this coming Wednesday, December 18, 2024. The red carpet starts from 5:30 to 6 p.m. and then the pageant starts from 7 p.m. and I think until 11 p.m. Then I will be glad to see each of you to be there and to cheer for me representing Philippines, and mostly the candidates there are from different countries around Asia, China, Korea, and it was very honored for me to represent Philippines. Thank you.
Yes. Are you excited for the upcoming pageant? Are you excited?
Oh yes, I'm excited. And guys, you can also follow me on Instagram.
Yes.
Miss Amer Asia International 2024. I just got this award last Saturday. Yeah, December 23rd.
Congratulations.
Yeah, and I'm so thankful for.
Tingin nga, Miss Amerasia.
Miss Amerasia
What does it take to become a Miss Amerasia?
I'm so thankful to become a Miss Amer Asia. And I thought I would not compete again in the pageant. Then unexpectedly, I'm joining again, guys. Yeah, and to be a Miss Amer Asia International, it's really a privilege.
Yes.
Yeah, representing American aviation. Yes.
And she is representing the Philippines for this upcoming pageant.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat and we wish you good luck. Maraming salamat. Miss Amerasia, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Amerasia.
Buhay!
USA 2024.
Christine Villanes. Congratulations and good luck on your pageant.
Okay, this time naman, syempre, dahil nga beauty queen season ngayon.